Guess what? Oral Pathology 360 just turned 5. 5 years of learning, sharing, laughing, debating, and yes, lots of live streams together. Our weekly sessions have been the heartbeat of this journey, bringing experts and fresh ideas right into your clinics, classrooms, or maybe even your couch. But wherever you tuned in from, you have been a part of the family. But there are some topics that deserve more than a quick session. They need a deep dive. That's where our master classes come in. We pick them up very carefully. They're not so flashy, often overlooked skills that actually make all the difference. And up next, we have biopsy techniques because every diagnosis, every treatment plan, and every patient's trust, and indeed their safety, starts with the right sample. Celebrate with us at our anniversary live stream on the 28th of August, and you might just snag a free pass to the biopsy masterclass too. It's been 5 years, but there are many more to go, and with you alongside, the learning will never stop.